Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making the braised pork belly over the rice, 卤肉饭, a popular home comfort all-in-one dish from Taiwan. It's full of sweet and savory fragrance, and the braised pork belly can melt in your mouth. It's a dish that young and old can enjoy as any meal of the day. Here are the ingredients for this dish, which you can find in the description below. Of course, don't forget to cook some rice and blanch some vegetables, as those are not part of the video. There's a lot of chopping involved in preparation for this dish. The scallions, garlic, and half red onion all need to be finely minced. Shiitake mushrooms need to be diced into small pieces. Dry tofu can be cut into smaller pieces so they can easily absorb the flavor. Finally, pork belly needs to be sliced and cut into 4 to 5 mm width pieces. You should also make some hard-boiled eggs, peeled and ready for use. Now we have all the ingredients ready, it's time to cook. We are not going to use a single drop of oil for cooking this dish, because we can cook the fat out of pork belly. You can cook this in a wok or a large cast iron pot. Heat up the wok, add the pork bellies, and slowly stir them around to make sure they don't stick to the bottom of the wok. Use medium heat to cook the pork bellies till the meat turns brown. Once the pork belly turns brown, add onion first. Stir to brown the onions for about a minute. Add the garlic and scallion and stir those for 30 seconds. Add the crystal sugar cubes. Stir till the cubes are half melt. Add 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce and about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir for 30 seconds so the meat can pick up the soy sauce color. Add the shiitake mushrooms and fold them into the meat. Add enough hot water to cover all the meat. Finally, add the dry tofu pieces, some 5-spice powder, and the boiled eggs. Mix everything well, put on the lid, and let it braise on medium heat for 45 minutes. You can check up on the meat a couple of times and stir the pot to be sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. 45 minutes later, open the lid, thicken the sauce a little bit, and turn off the heat. Spoon the meat and the sauce over a plate of rice. Add some vegetables and the egg, and it's ready to serve. This can be eaten at home or can be prepared as lunch boxes for adults and kids. We hope you will cook this for your family as well. If you like our cooking, please subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.